Hi, so this is the UDECX starter kit. In one box comes a do-it-yourself, simple and easy to install patio decking system. So when this is delivered to your driveway, all you do is simply open the box and you can see right away that you've got components on top in the box and a box that indicates to start here. And right away you get the UDECX instruction guide. So this walks you through each step of the installation process. And you also get the UDECX hand tool. So in this box are 36 cam locks. The cam lock is used to secure the surface of the system with the support structures. These are heavy-duty steel spikes that you can use to secure the system to the ground. So we have here a flint gray starter kit. We also offer UDECX in cedar red. So the three main components of UDECX are a pier, a pad, and a cam lock. So the UDECX pier serves as the structural support of the system. So this is what will sit directly on the ground. So it's fairly lightweight, and you get 16 of these in the starter kit. You can see that in the center is a hole which will be used for the 12-inch spikes that you'll get with the starter kit. So also included in your starter kit are accessories that you can use to help level your UDECX system. So the first one is a 1-inch shim. You get 12 of these in a starter kit. If your yard isn't perfectly flat, and many of them are not, these are to be used along with the pier to give you an additional inch where it's needed. So as you can see, if I need an extra inch, I can simply pick up the pier and the shim will nest right underneath the pier. Should I need 2 inches instead of 1, I can use a second shim and simply insert that underneath the first one. So you can see easily right there I got 2 additional inches underneath my pier. Also included are a 3-inch riser, and you get 4 of these in the starter kit. So just like the shim, this is used in the same manner with our pier, and it nests on top just like that. And that gives you an additional 3 inches of height. Now we've also introduced the shim. The riser works with the shim, so if you needed 4 inches of height instead of 3, you could simply place the shim beneath the riser in the pier, giving you an additional 4 inches. To make the assembly process as easy as possible, we've designed a pier placement template for you to use to locate exactly where you need to put your pier on the ground. So you take the template, align it with your piers, and then using the holes on the template, you simply fit your pier right underneath that. And now you're ready for the next step. The second main component is the pad. The pad acts as the surface of the decking system. It has a wood grain texture. It's a non-slip surface. The pad supports 100 pounds per square foot, so it's a very strong, durable structure. And on the underside of the pad is where you can see where all the structural support comes from. You get 9 pads in a starter kit, and those 9 pads make up 100 square feet. Once you have your first 4 piers located and set on the ground using your pier placement template, you can take your first pad and rest it on the piers. Just like that, and then you're ready to expand in any direction. So the UDECX cam lock is the third primary component of the system. We've placed down 4 piers and the pad over top of those piers, and the final step is to lock the system together with the cam lock. So you simply drop it through the pad and you take your UDECX hand tool that comes with the starter kit and do a 90-degree turn, and your cam lock is secured in place. So we've designed UDECX to be an easy to install, simple, modular, and portable system. So what that means is that you can expand your system however you'd like. So let me show you how that would work. So I'll take the cam lock out, and the pier underneath, if you're expanding in all 3 directions, you would situate the pier just like this.